students, welcome to Simplifying Maths. Video we are going to solve this problem, that is the ratio of length to breadth of a rectangular field is 4:3. If its diagonal is 200 meters, then the area of this rectangular field is. So from this diagram we can say this is length and this is breadth, and the diagonal is 200 meters. For that, first let us take the given values, that is length is to breadth. So they told length is to breadth is in the ratio of 4:3. So length is to breadth we can write it as like L by B also, right? So which will be 4/3. From this equation we can derive length in terms of breadth. So that will be L into 4B/3. As in LHS, B is in denominator. When it goes to RHS, it becomes the numerator. That will be 4B/3. Now we have kept length in terms of breadth and we have breadth. So we have two similar values. Now what we are going to do is we are going to equate with the diagonal. So diagonal of the rectangle is diagonal of rectangular formula. Diagonal of rectangular formula is root of L square plus B square. This is a formula. Now what we can conclude that this formula root of L square plus B square can be equal to 200 centimeters, right? As 200 centimeter is the diagonal for the given rectangular field, this root of L square plus B square can be equated with 200 centimeters. Now what we are going to do is square on both sides. To take the root in LHS, we are going to square on the both sides. So by squaring on both sides, on LHS the root goes, that will become L square plus B square, and on RHS it becomes square, that will be 200 into 200, it will become 40,000. Now what we are going to do is we are going to substitute the values which we have found with the ratio. In last page we have found that L in terms of B, right? That values we are going to substitute in this L square plus B square. So length value we have kept it in terms of breadth, that will become 4B/3 whole square plus B square is equals to 40,000. Now we are going to find the value, that is 16B square by 9 plus B square is equals to 40,000. Let us simplify in the other page. So what equation we got? 16B square by 9 is equals to 40,000. Now we are going to take LCM for the B also, that will become 16 B square plus 16 B square plus 9 is 40,000. Now we are going to take LCM for this B square also, that will become 9B square by 9, that is 40,000. Now we are going to equate them, that is 16B square plus 9B square by 9 is equals to 40,000. 25B square by 9 is equals to 40,000. We have obtained this formula. Now what we are going to do is, with this 9 is in the denominator in LHS, which we are going to move it to RHS. So it will become 25B square is equals to 40,000 into 9. Now what we are going to do is we are going to move this 25 also to RHS. In LHS it is a numerator, which goes to RHS it becomes the denominator. So 40,000 into 9 by 25. Now let us cancel this 25 and 40,000. Let us simplify this more further in the next page. So that is 40,000 B square, we have got it as 40,000 into 9 by 25, right? And we have cancel 25 and 40,000, which way we have obtained 1600 into 9. B square is equals to 1600 into 9. So if B square is equals to 1600 into 9, then B value will be square root of 1600 into 9, where we can write 1600 as 40 square and 9 as 3 square. That will be 40 into 3 whole square, which makes the square and the square root gets cancelled. Therefore B will be 40 into 3, that is 120 centimeters. 120 meters. So if, as we know the values, that is, first we have kept that breadth in terms of length. So breadth is 120 centimeters. B is 20 meters. Then length will be 4 into 120 by 3, because we have kept length in terms of breadth. So at that time we have kept 4 by 3 B, so it will become 4 into 120 by 3. If we cancel out these two, we get 160 meters. So we have the length value and the breadth value. So the area of rectangle, is length into breadth. That will be 120 meters into 160 meters. That will become 19200 meters square. That's it. We can conclude that the area of the rectangle is 19200 meters square. That's it. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.